It begins at dawn in the golden fields, where nature's harvest awaits.
Precision engineering gathers every seed while separating plant material. Inside the machine, seeds flow in a carefully controlled stream. Technology and human expertise merge in the climate-controlled command center.
Steady. Aligning now. Got it. Holding position. Keep it steady, filling the corners. That's 90%. Ease off. Stop. Full load.
Tarp secure on the lead truck, moving to the next.
Rear truck ready. Proceed to loading.
A coordinated fleet ensures the harvest moves without delay. The journey begins, carrying nature's bounty toward transformation. Arrival at the industrial heart where seeds become oil.
Scan confirmed. Proceed to Bay 3. Copy that. Rolling forward. Aligned at Bay 3. Ready for unload. A little more back. Steady now. Aligning with the lines. Good. Hold position. Chalking now.
Gravity and hydraulics work together to begin the seed's journey inside.
Flow rate optimal. Hopper at 15%.
Conveyor engaged, transport active. The conveyor network becomes the factory's circulatory system. Vibrating screens separate valuable seeds from field debris.
Controlled airflow lifts away impurities while seeds continue downward.
Density differences separate stones from seeds on a vibrating stage. Precise sizing ensures uniform processing in subsequent stages.
Control room, silo 3 is at 65%. Diverting flow now. Copy that. Proceed.
Storage silos hold the clean seeds until processing begins. Controlled extraction begins the transformation from seed to oil. Final inspection ensures only perfect seeds enter processing. Precise moisture conditioning prepares seeds for optimal oil extraction. Patient tempering allows moisture to penetrate evenly to the seed core.
Temperature 42, moisture 9.5. Control room, distribution synced, starting mills.
Preparation complete, seeds advance to the flaking mills. Massive rolls compress seeds into thin flakes, exposing oil cells. Controlled heating reduces oil viscosity for efficient extraction. Extrusion creates porous structures, maximizing oil accessibility.
Collets at 60 degrees, moisture content verified, vapor detectors clear, feed rate at 18 tons per hour.
Solvent dissolves oil, creating a solution ready for separation. Flow rate steady, concentration crude oiling to 65%.
Vapor pressure and temperature optimal at 75 degrees Celsius. Vacuum at 0 at 6 bar, stripping efficiently. Sample taken, temperature holding at 40 degrees.
Laboratory verification ensures crude oil meets refining standards. Degumming removes phospholipids that would affect oil quality.
Caustic neutralization eliminates free fatty acids, improving shelf life. Temperature ramp rate is steady at 250 degree. Vacuum tower set for 5 minutes. Feed rate at 15 tons per hour. Systems are go.
Steam stripping under vacuum removes all odor and flavor compounds. Oil sample neutral, FFA verified below 0.03%. Heat recovery maximizes efficiency while cooling protects oil quality. Polishing filtration ensures absolute clarity and purity. Nitrogen blanketing preserves quality until packaging begins. Precision setup ensures perfect packaging from the first bottle. Automated filling ensures precise volume with nitrogen protection. Precision capping creates tamper-evident seals, ensuring safety. Accurate labeling and coding provide traceability and information. Multiple inspection points guarantee every bottle meets standards. Efficient cartoning protects bottles and simplifies handling.
Pattern looks stable. Load height is 1.6 meters. Quality is good.
Stretch wrapping secures loads for safe warehouse storage and transport.
Wrap is secure. Load is stable for transport. Pallet in position, aisle 3, bay 12. Scan confirmed. Stock updated to 500. FIFO verified. Moving to shipping dock. Load count verified. Destination confirmed. Temperature at 15 stable. Seal number 47291 recorded.
And this is how modern factories produce sunflower oil from start to finish.